How to brand your online content with Publu. With Publu, it's fast, easy, and looks great. Let's walk through how to brand your publication in just a few steps. Start by uploading your PDF to Publu. Then, open the customization panel. First, name your Flipbook and add a short description. This helps your readers and you easily identify your publication. The name appears in the browser tab and loading screen, while the description shows in previews and social shares. Next, upload your logo. In the left panel, click Add Logo. Remove the default image and upload your own in JPEG or PNG format. You can even add a link, turning your logo into a clickable button that leads to your website. Now let's customize the background. Use a solid color that matches your brand from an unlimited color palette. Choose from multiple ready-to-use templates designed to give your content a professional look. You can also enhance visual appeal by including a background video, perfect for creating a dynamic, engaging experience that captures your audience's attention. Alternatively, upload your own image to ensure complete alignment with your brand identity. Want to go pro? Use a custom domain to share your Flipbook with your own branded URL, available with optimum plans and above. With Publu, creating a beautiful, fully branded Flipbook is quick and simple. Stand out, impress your audience, and build brand recognition your way. Start branding your Flipbook today at publu.com.